Hi everyone, welcome to Module 8, and the topic of Module 8 is Equity and Inclusivity in the Arizona Master Naturalist. So if we go to the learning outcomes, it really starts off with thinking about land acknowledgements, and you may have heard a lot about these, seen them in action, but we're going to really talk about the purpose of using them and what it looks like when we're actually considering, describing, and really using these with purpose and intent. We're going to be thinking about the concepts of justice, equity, diversity, and inclusion within the Master Naturalist program, how they apply to the pillars of our program, including leadership, education, citizen or community science, and stewardship. Really thinking about in making people feel welcome, giving people equal opportunity, considering those who have access to our programs, identify those who might be underrepresented so that we can really begin to and continue to address these to make sure that we have diverse perspectives. As we know, environmental education and the problems that we're dealing with the environment, just take water management as an example. We need diverse solutions, diverse people to solve these problems. They are bigger than just bigger than ourselves, and so this is a way to build that vision of equity and inclusivity in all that we do. So here's your required readings and videos. So remember to click on those to open them up. And here it gives you the length of time of each video. So it'll take you about 15 minutes total to watch the videos down here. And then if you go here, you're going to see an assignment on applying the Justice, Equity, Diversity, Inclusion, or JEDI ideas to the pillars of the program. So it gives you clear directions on what to do and what to submit. So be sure to follow these directions. And bold here, you're going to see share ideas that you have for designing an Arizona Master Naturalist public program that are inclusive. So as an example, one thing that I did last year in cohort 4 was I thought, oh, with these field labs, we must have people, or we have people that cannot maybe make it to every field lab that might want to. We might have some members of our community that just but still want to learn the content and cannot make it there. Either it's too far to drive, or there might be other limitations, or they're just busy that day. And so one idea that we had last year was to create these virtual field labs to increase the accessibility so that the similar content would still be made available to all. So that's an example of how Arizona Master Naturalist is trying to model these principles in action through education, through leadership, and to make this a reality. So working together, again, diverse people, diverse solutions, diverse opportunities to really make change. Again, here you're going to see your module reflections. Be sure to share your key understandings, burning questions, your content, your applications for a total of 5 points. The rubric is there. And then you have your Zoom meeting assignment. So again, you have here a link to the materials used for this class. And then you'll have you finish the sentence stem. My favorite part of this class was. All right, thanks for watching this overview video on Module 8.